Hey, this is Dale Calvert. It's a pleasure to introduce our YouTube subscribers to the most complete network marketing launch memory jogger training on the planet. Period. End of story. At the end of this short training, I'm going to give you the opportunity to download this free 56-page publication that includes access to over 15 hours of additional training at zero cost to you. I'm not going to ask you even for your email address or to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to give you access to the most complete memory jogger training available absolutely free. Now, the most important thing we can ask ourselves, that I ask myself, and I believe everybody should, is who is this person and why should I be listening to them? Why should I give them 1 minute of my time? Think we'd all be better off if we asked that question. That's me sitting on the Viper in the red tie with my business partner. This was a few years ago. We were on the cover of Success Magazine. The thing you're probably thinking, yeah, they rented all that stuff. I'll just tell you, and there's plenty of people to document this. None of this was rented. Anything that you see in this picture, I don't really like to show these flash pictures, but sometimes you need to for some people. That Viper and this Viper is mine. Was my business partner's Lexus. These were both our company limos and company plane. Uh, During this time, we developed an organization of over 60,000 distributors that were making profits. This is the renewal rate. 60,000 plus. It was well over 60, closer to 100. But that were making profits, and every one of them, every single one, launched their business using a memory jogger professionally and effectively. Most of these people had never been involved in network marketing prior. They were just simply fans of the product. You can learn more about me than you would ever want to know at dalecalvert.com. Dale, why are you making this free? I don't know if I am the only one that is just fascinated with the fact that those who propagated the whole attraction marketing philosophy throughout the network marketing business model, 20 years or so ago, the majority of those self-proclaimed gurus today are no longer even involved in the business. They're no longer involved in network marketing. Yet this flawed philosophy has persisted. Now, please don't misunderstand me. I believe in attraction marketing. If you're involved in virtually any other business model, and there is a time and place for network marketing, but not during your launch, not to get it off the ground. Network marketing is a different animal. It's different. It's not just about selling products, it's about building a team. It's different. And the people that you need to attract must be the right people, because if you end up with a team of the wrong people that like hanging out with you more than the ladies at choir practice, you're going to give yourself headaches and fits down the road that you do not want to have to deal with. And I've talked about this. I originally wrote this book a couple years ago, The 7 Lies of Attraction Marketing. And again, this was for network marketers, not for traditional businesses. We use attraction marketing in many of our other businesses. There is a time and place for it, but not in network marketing. So why am I making this 15 hours of training, 56-page publication? Why am I making it available? I love the profession, but the philosophies that have been spread throughout this profession in the last 15, 20 years are not helping anybody except the people that are pushing the products and the trainings, and why you need to be a professional blogger and so on and so forth. Network marketing is different. The real product in network marketing is people. Your long-term income is in direct proportion to the number of leaders that are developed on your team. Let me say that again. It's not about getting them in and keeping them on auto ship one more month. That has nothing to do with this business. Your long-term income is in direct proportion to the number of leaders that are developed on your team. Leadership creates product volume. Leadership creates volume. Distributors are a revolving door. They're coming and going all the time. Brian Tracy said it well. The best leaders don't create followers, regardless of what gurus have told you. It's not about creating a following. The best leaders don't create followers. They create leaders. The memory jogger, when it's used correctly, has always been and will always be the best tool available in the network marketing profession. Unfortunately, it's been misused to the point that very few organizations use it or know how to properly teach their organizations to use it. Because of the lack of proper training in the past, the memory jogger is absolutely discouraged by some organizations. Instead, people are taught, spam your social media accounts daily, make YouTube videos, or go on Facebook Live acting like something that you're not, or some other ridiculous way to launch their business that doesn't feel right because it's not right to most of the world's population. I sit back and I ask myself, what would happen to the network marketing business model? What would really happen if every new distributor that joined today, this week, this month, was taught how to quickly and effectively launch their business? What would happen to the profession? Network marketing would be at the top of the entrepreneurial revolution that's happening around the world. In reality, the facts, the numbers, the profession is in a state of dissipation, and sales in the U.S. have dropped the last couple of years at the time of this recording. So let's just get real. All the industries really accomplished the last 20 years, and we all know it that have been around long enough, is just sponsoring each other. How many times have you been told, or have you heard, or worse, that you've said, if you need any help with your people, just let me know? That's a common phrase today. And let's just stop and think about that. With your people, that's assuming that they've been involved in hanging out in this profession 10, 15, 20 years, and they have people. But that's the mentality. You can look at it, you can see it in corporate videos, you can see it everywhere. In our minds, the profession is only talking to other people in the profession. It's not about who you know, and it never has been. It's about who do they know. I want you to make sure that I communicate that. It's always been about who do they know. The last 20 years, leaders have allowed excited, untrained newbies to flood the market, trying to convince everyone they meet to buy, sell, or join, as leadership sits back and hoping that they'll make a sale or two so they'll add to their BV that month before they quit. It's just ridiculous. If people join someone on your team simply because they know them, like them, and trust them, or were pressured to join, they bought or joined for the wrong reason. If anybody joins your team only because they know, like, or trust the person that shared it with them, or they were pressured, they bought or joined for the wrong reason. And all you're ultimately going to end up with is a colossal waste of everybody's time. And time is the most valuable asset that you have. 3 of the right people a year, in 3 years, you're a superstar. Most people will never get there because they're spending way too much time with the wrong people and not enough time with the right people. Amateurs try to convince people. Professionals sort. There's no better tool to help you sort when done correctly than the memory jogger. Success is simple. You sort through people to find the right people at the right time in their life for your product, service, or opportunity. For most newbies, the odds of the people on their memory jogger being that person that they're looking for, is slim. Okay, because they haven't been in 15 or 20 programs in the last, couple of years, from deal to deal to deal. They don't have a network of people that have been around this industry that just follow each other from program to program. So for most newbies, the odds of the people on their memory jogger being that person is slim. But the odds of those people on their memory jogger knowing the person they're looking for is extremely high. Guys, that's such a clue. Think about it just real quick before we go on. If anybody brand new, never been in the profession, writes down a list of 20 people, of those 20, and let's say your product is, we'll just say weight loss. It's a weight loss product. And that's a high interest level product. So maybe, 20% of the people on that list may be interested in weight loss right now. So 20% of 20 would be 4 people, correct? However, and this is the key, this is the secret, this is what we've been teaching for years. Those 16 people, every one of those who are not in the market currently right now, every one of them knows somebody that they work with, that they're in a social club with, that they go to church with, that they're neighbors. They all know somebody that's getting ready to start on some weight loss program, whether it's NutriFast or you name it. They know somebody. That's the people we ultimately want to talk to. So when we launch, those are the only people that we even are looking for. And again, it's a lot of details, but we want to stack the odds in your favor. And we can show you how to do that for you and every member of your team. Most experienced leaders who see this video will be thinking to themselves, yeah, I know all about the memory jogger, Dale, but we do this, we do social media, we do Pinterest ads, we do Facebook ads, we all do lives, we do this, we do that. Heard it for several years. But every now and then, it clicks for people. I would ask you, please don't continue to make that mistake. There is something called geographical credibility and a lot of other stuff that I don't have time to go into on this video. And yes, 80% of what we teach has been taught by many. However, it's the last 20% that can take your new distributor launch process to levels of sustainable success that's not been experienced by newbies in this industry in over 20 years. If anything I've said has made any sense at all, I invite you to, check out the 15 hours of free training and the complete network marketing launch memory jogger training. There's the link right there on the slide, imhomehelp.com/complete memory jogger. I'll also put it in the description on YouTube. Guys, I appreciate your time. I hope you're having an awesome day. This is Dale Calvert, and I'll talk to you again real soon.